Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Ainurbaiti, but you can call me Nadia. I will explain the topic about the nature of culture. We must be familiar with the word of culture because Indonesia has a variety of cultures spread throughout its territory. However, do you know the true meaning of the word culture? In anthropological studies, culture is considered an abbreviation of culture. So there is no difference based on the definition. However, based on search from various literature, there are several nations of culture. In English, culture is called culture, which etymologically comes from the Latin word "culere", which means to cultivate or work. The word culture is also sometimes translated as culture is in Indonesian, which has the same meaning as culture. Culture is a way of life that develops and is shared by groups of people and is passed down from generation to generation. Culture is made up of many complex elements, including religion system, politics, customs, tools, language, buildings, clothing, and work of art. Culture affects many aspects of human life. Over time, culture is complex, abstract, and broad in human civilization. But according to E.B. Taylor in Sukanto, culture is a complex that includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, custom, and other capabilities acquired by human as member of society. Next, I will explain about culture, something that is learned, meaning that this culture is studied by various disciplines, especially from the social humanities family, such as anthropology, sociology, history, and, and archaeology. Actually, there are also disciplines that really study culture, namely culture studies. Then culture is something that is implanted, which means that culture preservation must be instilled from an early age. Indonesia has a very rich variety and culture and can be a source of national strength. However, the diversity and strength of the culture has not been fully empowered optimally. After successfully passing the climate of transition to open and democracy, Indonesian is increasingly being looked at by the international community as a model of a rich country is a very diverse culture. Then social culture means a culture that contains social elements as the main basis in that culture, which in culture contains family values and social togetherness. For example, custom. Then culture is ideational, which means that in discussing culture as an ideational system, anthropologists have a different premise from their predecessor. Got enough, and other agree no one important point, namely that the social and cultural fields must stand alone even though the two fields are interrelated with each other. But these experts say that these fields must be viewed based on their respective position. Each cannot always be placed in the same position and parallel. The conclusion I can give from this discussion is that when we study a cultural symbol that is a common property in the general public, it can be considered as a danger to be aware of. The danger in question lies in diversity and also culture change that have long been hidden and unknown to many people, including anthropologists. Therefore, various ways are taken by them to be able to find the conceptual solution that has been covered to so far by continuing to pay attention to what it is society while still accepting culture as a complex, ideational subsystem. Then culture is fun, which means the introduction of culture through culture festivals with the cultures festival. We will get to know various cultures. And then culture is adaptive, which means that culture can adapt. An example is adaptation to foreign culture because the occurrence of culture disaster in certain communities causes them to have to move to other areas that have different cultures. And then culture is integrative, which means that ethnic groups with different cultures can adapt and convert to the culture of a majority society. However, they still maintain their respective cultures. For example, when a group of people go to area with a different culture from their original culture, then that group of people as minority culture must conform to be to the culture of the majority of society, but still maintain their own culture. That's all from me. There is enough that I can say. If there is a wrong word, please forgive me. Thank you very much.